What's going on, everybody? We are live. What's happening? Y'all ready? Today? Woo! Let's do it. Let's day trade us some stuff here. All right. Market's down. We got a lot of new stuff today, too, my friends. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Let me know if you can hear me. Testing. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let me just get set up. Let everybody inside our room. Let's get to work. Markets are down right now. Let me What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening? What's happening?
Just trying to get the system down.
I hear that, brother. I hear that, brother. Nasdaq's down 146. Man, we have some new stuff today, which kind of sucks, man. It says Fed Chair Powell speaks at 9. That means that could linger on all morning. And then
he's not speaking. He's testifying before the Senate or Congress.
So you never know what'll come out of his mouth that might start moving crap, man.
Right. Could be 2 or 3 hours that he's testifying.
Oh, my God, dude. We'll see. We'll see. President Trump, tentative. I don't know. We might get some action today. We might get too much action today. I don't know.
Yeah, just the opposite of yesterday.
Yeah, dude. I don't know if I've ever seen it so boring as yesterday. That was crazy, man. That was terrible. That was so boring. We'll see. We'll see, brother. We'll see. Other than that, man, I'm ready to rock and roll. Other than that, my friend. Couple minutes. Dow's down. Got a lot of red, but it's not too crazy. This market's weird. Again, whenever this market starts to go sideways on that short term, that's where price action's really erratic. Really erratic. I never got filled on any of those option trades either, man. Those market makers are being pretty greedy. Pretty greedy. So, we'll see what happens today. Just my goal today is to just get better. Now that I have signals and I'm dead set on, I'm just going to focus and work on making those better. But that's it. I'm not adjusting anymore. I'm either going to live and die by these rules. That's it.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir, my friend. Playing account number 1 today. So that account is sitting at 49,673, which is quite a comeback. I was down to about 48,300. So they're all active, but as the days go by, I'm going to have to, I might start copy trading. I mean, just because I can't keep paying a renewal if I'm not going to trade it. So I might just have to we'll see. We'll see. I'm not copy trading right now until I'm comfortable. What's up, Jeff?
Hey, good morning, fellas.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Morning.
Just getting started here this morning.
There you go, brother. There you go. Getting started. Yeah, I'm running a little bit. I haven't got early. I usually get up early, but last 2 days, man, I can't seem to get up early. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Man, I wake up and I'm like, I'm going back to sleep. And yeah.
Well, I tell you what, I'm mentally, spending a day doing this stuff, it just
Where's your out? Yeah, it does. It does, bro. It sure does. And the thing is, with these evaluation accounts, they're just so much different, man. If it was a PA, hey, no problem. You pick a couple hours a day, trade, but with these evaluations, man, it's like I feel like I gotta trade them all day, or I'm never gonna get through them. What's up, Jandon? What's up, Jandon? Hey, what's up, Jandon? What's up, Jason? What's up, Brandon? I said, what's up, Jandon? That's a new member we got, Jandon. What's up? What's up, Brandon? What's up, Jake? And I got that message. I replied, Jason. I agree, man. Those dasher booms, they don't seem to work as enough, right? Using them as key levels. It's just tough whenever it's blown through every key level. It is tough. All right. Let's go. Let's go. We'll let it shake out for a couple minutes. Just see what we got. Like I said, we got old Powell testifying that. All right. Again, just going to give a couple minutes. I've also been thinking too, right here. So obviously that's what I want to use for my bias, but I was thinking about that divergence trade. I'm not sure if that divergence trade is going to happen when they're both in the same direction. I don't know. I'll watch today. But one of the things that I'm contemplating is whenever this one's green and this one's red, then only looking for bearish divergences. Going in line with the slow, but only looking for divergences when one's green, because that's telling me that there's that short-term correction. I don't know. We'll see. Again, I'm definitely utilizing this as a bias. So it's either a no bias situation right now or a situation where I'm only looking for a bearish divergence. I don't know. I'm just going to be processing stuff and kind of going from there, but I am going to wait about 5 minutes, so let things shake out. Again, the main issue for me is when it's above or below all the Fibonacci's, the only thing we got is that 55 and 200. And really, we don't even have that except the 55. It might be the only key level we can use, but we'll see. All right.
I was sitting here trying to figure out why my chart wasn't syncing up with yours. I hadn't even connected the data.
Oh, yeah.
And I got to get some coffee in me this morning.
Brother, I worry. I hear you, man. I try to do that every morning. I'll disconnect it and then just reconnect it. After that one day where I hit it and it was crazy, I'm trying. And then I have my TD Ameritrade pulled up so I can make sure that it's in sync, you know, like as far as down. Because the other day, it was out of whack. Right now, it's pretty good. And I'm not using the auto traders anymore anyway. So we'll see what happens. Which pair am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq. Hey, what's going on, Mitch? Kia. Yeah, this is the Nasdaq, right? And right now I'm using this Apex account. These evaluation accounts. And it's the micros. That's where we're at. That's where we're at. Kia. I like your name. You know, my car, I have a Kia. I think that's your name, right, Kia? All right, a couple more minutes and I'll be good to rock. Just kind of looking around at all the stuff. I got multiple screens. So we are crossing right down here, working our way up to the daily pivot. Midline 50. Just going to give it a couple minutes here. Just let it shake out as much as possible. We need volatility, as we saw yesterday. Boy, was it boring. Can y'all hear me? Everybody hear me good, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
we got you.
Okay, cool. Thanks, brother. One more minute. Again, I'm just going to try to be consistent with this stuff. And again, I'm giving it 2 months with this new system. If not, I'm just going to go back to the ES and trade the ES like I've been doing for 5 years. I think that's the last Fibonacci. See if it breaks through B23. That's it. We're out of fibs. Fibbo! 30 seconds, and I'll be good to rock. Right now, I am a bias up. We're at the daily pivot. We could go to DB5. All right. We should be good. I think all my stuff. Make sure your orders, man, they change on us sometimes. So make sure they're set up properly. Right? Make sure they're set up properly, right? I think it's good. All right, I'm good. Ready. All right. This right here is that line in the sand, right? I got my notes on that Fibonacci level. Pull out my little things. Yeah. Above 23 is bullish, below 23 is bearish, right? There we go. All right, so I'm going to be focusing on three strategies. That's it. I'm going to live and die by those three strategies. Trading a $50,000 Apex, I got a long ways to go. Long ways to go. My goal is consistently to pop out between $300 and $400 a day. That's all I'm trying to get. Get consistent and then copy trade, right? You don't need to make a lot of money if you're copy trading, but you need to win. You need to win. All right, man, we're about to blow through these Fibonacci levels, right? We got B3 coming up or no man's land. Market's down 14. Nasdaq's down 65. I will look to do a bullish price action trade if we pull back in this zone. On the other thing, I got my strategy log pulled up. Key, let me see here. Price action bullish. And we're cruising. Kind of that, now coming up to that last key level. See what I'm saying? We break through that. There ain't no more key levels. It sucks. Now, if we pull back into this key level, I'll be loving to take a price action setup. You better believe it. Just get I just want to get consistent in the signals, right? We got a yellow. Oh, yeah, I was. I was not even paying attention. Oh, my God. I wasn't even paying attention. Beautiful key level break. Fuck. I wasn't even paying. I didn't even see it. Start pointing that stuff out if you see it, because I forget, man. I forget too. Damn, that's a beautiful strategy, number one. And that would have nailed it. Yeah, those key level breaks are badass, dude. I didn't even, again, I didn't even see it. That was setup number one right there. Damn. That sucks. All right, here we go. Let's see here. We're right at line 21, 38. A lot of key levels there. So I'm going to take a shot here in a second. And I'm taking a shot. I'm going to put my target right there. Okay? Right there. This one I will stop and reverse this bad boy. Man, that came up right next to my thing. Ugh. That sucked. That came up right there. Damn, that was within probably one tick. I will stop and reverse, though, at this key level, okay? This key level, I will stop and reverse, and I'm going to take this if we get a nice run, and I'm going to target B23 if we can get a move. So I'll be targeting about right here and right there, B23, if we get a move. If not, I'm going to reverse it. This is a key level. If it goes, I go. All right. It's working its way. I don't like that it can't make it that high, so I'm going to move it down a little bit. No, fuck it. I'm going to stick to it and move it right there. Fuck it. It's either going to make it or it's not going to make it. We're at a lot of key level support, so it is what it is, right? I'll reverse this hoe. But I got my hand on the reverse button, too. Damn it. This little fucker's bouncing around in it. This little fucker's bouncing around. This is some good practice. I'll tell you that right now. This is some good practice. Really good practice. Charles says we're in no man's land right now. This is a tricky situation. But the daily pivot, I need to get a win. Boom. All right. See what happens. We're going up. This has been tricky, but I like this because this is what I need, man. I need to practice. Work my way through different trades. There we go. I think what I'll do is I'll target this dasher boom right there. Actually, no. I'm going to target that key level. Fuck it. I'm going to target that key level, B23. Going up. Everything looks good. Target says, Charles says, whenever a target is met, At this point, I'm sitting right there, break even. I'm either going to break even or I'm going to hit it, my second target. There's no in the middle for me. It's either going to go to target or it's not. Charles says we're in no man's land. All right. Yeah, that's it. It's either going to do it or it's not going to do it. Everything's looking good right now. Working our way up to DB5. We'll see. We can get a little bit of pushback in the middle, though. I'm working my way up to, I keep working my way right under B23. That's where I'm headed, B23. We do have a, again, we have, oh shit, that's selling off hard. Pull back, it's hard. 9 o'clock, Fed Chair Powell's testifying and tentative Trump might speak. So we could get some craziness. I would love to get some, make some money before that. It's just tough. That little area was very tricky. I'm going to talk about it as soon as this trade's over. That was tricky. It is what it is, right? It's either going to break even on the last one or hit B23. There is no in between. Dancing around at that 55. This trade has been very tricky. I'm going to, boy, hope y'all navigated. That was crazy. And this is that price action trade that kind of went south, but then ended up working. Charles says, ready game fires are overbought on the highs. So buy the dips. I'm targeting B23. This is really dancing around. This is really dancing around. And then if it does hit B23, I'm going to be looking for a key level break. If, again, we need a push. We need a push to the upside. Buy us up, though, so it is what it is, right? It's either going to roll over from here and basically form that equal high, or it's going to go to work. We need a big push to the upside. Things just dancing around, man. This is nerve-wracking. But at the end of the day, this one's already break even the last contract, so it is what it is, right? It stops you out. Hey, at least you targeted out on the first 3. I hit the target on the first 3, and now I'm at break even, so looks like we're getting stopped out right here. Maybe. That thing's dancing around. I hate these Unirinco candles when it comes to that crap. That is so nerve-wracking. This diamond might fail. Come on, baby. Push it up. Oh, stop me out. All right, that's fine. I got the first target. That was very, very, very tricky. This might go up, but man, this was difficult. You had that fake right there. You had another fake, and then it reversed back up. If this goes back up, man, you are a son of a bitch. That went down and got me a break even, man. I mean, but to me, there ain't no way to navigate that. No way. I mean, look at that. If it goes up, that's fine. That's too difficult. Damn, look at that. It was targeting B23. Watch it go to B23. I think that's the last key level. Shit. We are at the 55, but this is nasty, man. This is nasty. I don't know how you play this. So where are you out?
It's good to be a repeat of yesterday.
Right this second, right? Well, the crazy thing is we know old Powell speaks today for a while, so that market could get insane. We're going to get some action today. But this candle right, what's up?
Well, I was going to say I did get a winner on that last one. I jumped out at that dasher, so.
Good.
My hands were sweating, man.
I navigated this really well. All right, so damn, this candle right there is deadly. Wow, look at that move. That went down and got me at break even. Tricky. Damn it, where were you a minute ago, you freak? Just enough to pick my ass off at break even. After I targeted out on 3. Yep, now you move. Now you move, you little punk. All right. Damn it. That's what I wanted, right to B23. You bastard. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Damn, dude. That went right to B23. Had to come pick me off the break even first, though. Come on, baby. Give me a pullback about to this midline. I like it. Cool. Shit, this motherfucker's at no man's land up there. All right, I like it. Let's see what we got here. We'll see if B23 can hold. Charles went long. There's news. Yeah, news in 9. Yeah. It sucks. I really want to. Well, I mean, I guess he's just testifying, so it's going to be kind of an ongoing thing. It's a nasty pullback right there. Right at B23, man. It wouldn't have picked me off right here for break even, man. It would have been a beauty right up to it. All right, so that one. Let me see. Swing high. We're at the 55. I'm not taking that trade. We're not at a key level. I don't just take 55 trades without being on top of a major key level. So that one I'm going to pass. Let it come down into the OD38. We do have, again, I don't know if the news is going to just strike, but can buy us up. This could bounce right here when it comes into here, but let's see here. We're coming off a divergence. All right, so we're right here on 21. Tricky spot. News in 4 minutes. Well, actually, he just starts testifying in 4 minutes. I don't know what the hell's going to happen. I like the action, though. I like the fact that we're at least getting some movement, man. Yesterday was awful because we sat there and I couldn't even practice or nothing. Didn't do nothing. At least right here was a very tricky spot if you're trading what I'm trading. Being able to navigate that was huge because that was very tricky. We're sandwiched in between a 23 and OD 38.2. So here's another thing I didn't take that divergence trade to the downside because I'm biased up. But I'm going to be watching that one because that trade may never happen in line with the bias. I don't know. No problem, though. This right here was really, really tricky. If you trade price action, that was not easy. These two big wicks, they were death. Here we go. I don't know if it's going to give a little timer. Probably not because he's just talking. Yeah, who knows? We'll see. I mean, if it starts moving, it's going to start moving, right? Just chopping around right now. No follow through. These MDX trades, they're difficult to trade whenever the market's doing sideways. Because these things are just crossing and reversing, right? It's like crossing, crossing, crossing. Like difficult. All right. Right now, there's nothing happening. This is just kind of torn around. This little candle right here, man, this son of a bitch, dude, nicked me off at break even and went right to B23. Yeah, look at that. That's reversing hard. MDX trade got destroyed. Thank God I'm not doing those trades anymore. But you got that double cross, whatever the hell that is. I'm going to just keep trading at 9. I mean, the action is going to start going faster or not. It is what it is, right? If I get a signal, I'm going to do it, period. Because I'm not going to be waiting around. But, I mean, if it starts to take off right now, then I'll wait. But right now, I'm biased up. We're at the 200. We have a lower low. Oh, shit. It's starting to pick up. So Maybe I'll wait a couple minutes here. This is a little bit crazy. Holy mother of Jesus. Okay, I'm backing off. Things are too crazy right this second. This is a beautiful price action setup, but I'm not taking it. It's too crazy right this second, dude. I'm not skilled enough to handle this with a software. Look at that move. Heck no. Heck no am I taking that. No way am I going to jump in on that, dude. That's too out of control for me. I'm definitely not good enough for that crap. I'm just going to wait a couple minutes here. Give it about 5 minutes. Let it see if it shakes out. Look at that wick. That was death. I'm just trying to say him. Yeah, I mean, you don't want to be long or short right now. Let me make sure everything's still synced up, dude. Sometimes this Nasdaq gets unsynced. Yeah, okay, we're good. All right, it's chopping around. This could be another diamond, but I would have taken this trade. Absolutely. But it's moving too fast for me. And I'm not using auto traders anymore. Those auto traders, man, they're just, I don't know. Sometimes they don't even work when they're supposed to fucking work. We're crossing back above the zero. I mean, I'm biased up all the way. Looks like it's calmed down a little bit. We have no more key levels up here, so that sucks. Another destruction. It's just not working. It's not following through. That trade, if I was taking that MDX trade off an entering close, I'd be down so much money right now. Or I'd be mentally begging because I'd have a 200 stop loss just praying. Fuck that. It's never going to happen again. Not for me. That's not my style. DB5, working on way up. We are biased up. This is a hard pullback. Hard pullback. Yeah. I mean, that would have took me out like a motherfucker. I've been getting destroyed right now with that MDX trade. Right now, we're just chopping. We got a diamond that didn't really follow through. Yeah. I am a bias up. I'll take a key level break of B23. If we can get a key level break of B23, I'll take it. Now, the key level breaks. Remember, it's got to go at or above it. Sell off. All right, now we're dropping down. Get back into some action here where I can take some trades. So we got a key level here, here. But the thing about here is work my way down to OD32. Now, with the key level break, if you're following me, Jason, I know you are. I don't know about anybody else, so I'll talk to you here. The key level break to the upside, sprinkler got to be above zero. It's not above zero. So if a key level breaks here and this is not above zero, that trade's off the table. And that's why I'm speaking to you, Jace, because I know that me and you are doing the same thing. I don't I'm not sure, you know, Jeff, John, Brandon, what y'all are doing. But
Yeah, I'm tracking with you guys.
okay, cool. Because I don't take these MDX trades or nothing. I'm only taking key level breaks. Based on that sheet that I sent you yesterday, I've already decided I'm going to live and die by that. If I can't figure it out with those three, then I'm done at the end of March. With this, I'm not done trading. I'm just going to go back to the ES. I just have to pick something and go for it and ride. And I like this. I like being more active and trying to just have 100 tick stop loss and praying every time I'm in the trade. That was killing me. All right, so we are below zero. We are bias up. So I would be looking for a divergence. I don't know if that divergence is going to form, though. It might. I like that divergence at a key level. So that would be, again, if it happens, I'm bullish right now. So that's, I do know that I'm not trading anything except to the upside right now. We got to stay above -8. Right, the daily pivot. I'm not interested in going short. Not with this going up. I've made up my mind. At least I'm going to go in line with that. The only thing that I might tweak is the divergence, because I don't know if we're going to get a divergence with those two in line. I don't know. We might. I don't know. It might. The divergence might only come when these two are the opposite. I don't know. Right at key level, though. We need to get back above that zero. I'm not interested in it right here, but I do like the action, man. At least this is a lot more. I'm a lot more into it than yesterday afternoon, but normally it's not that bad. Yesterday afternoon was, I mean, that was the worst I'd ever seen it. I just want to get consistent, man. That's all I'm trying to do here. Get consistent with my signals and just stay laser focused. Right now, you can see over here in a 10-minute candle, these just, there's a lot of wicks. There's not really much. This is chopping. This is tough. Damn, we're way down here. We might get that divergence trade down here. And it's still bias up, so that would be actually, that would be great. Oh, Mitch, you better believe it. I have to look and see what you typed. I have multiple screens. You better believe it, bro. I wouldn't normally listen to the Fed, but I want to see that dude get destroyed. You better believe it. Light him up, idiot. If this rolls over, we might, I don't know if we'll get a divergence, but we might. And it's bias up, so that would be positive. We have a cross at the zero. All right. So now I like this. Now we're back above the 0. So we got a lower high though. We got a lower high. I'm not key level yet because this one is not above the 0. It needs to go above. It needs to go above 23 or at it and then give us that key level opportunity. Right now, we're just testing it, pulling back. This could roll over, maybe come and form a divergence at a key level, and that would be great. I'll go for that one. Getting a red candle, DB5. We're still going up. That's a nasty wick. I mean, it is a key level at the 200, but I want to see us above 0. This could just roll over right now and form another cross. If this rolls over, it will form a double cross or a 0 cross. I'm not taking that trade anymore. That's not my trade. But that's just what we watch. Look at that wick. But S&P's down 16, Nasdaq's 58. We're still red, but it's a nasty wick. It's dancing around. Just watching right here, B23. It's our last key level, right? Except this dasher, but like, okay, we're back above it. Let's see what we got here. Pull back. Give me a nice pullback, and I'll be interested in a key level break. All right, I'm interested in a key level break. I'm just gonna put my stop pretty much underneath that. It's like gonna win or it's gonna lose, and that is what it is. I don't care about getting stopped out. I want to be under B23. I'm targeting that dasher. The other one, I don't know. Okay, I'll probably put a little bit under the dasher right there. Yeah. Key level break, a B23, buy us up above 0. If we go down from here, it doesn't matter to me. Setup number 1. I'm going to leave my stop under B23. Yeah, I'm just going to kind of keep it. If it goes up, I just want to be under that key level. If I get picked off, I'll re-enter. Okay, that's one thing. If I'm going to be wrong, I need to lose a little. I can't be taking these big losses. Fuck no. Those big losses, they didn't do it for me. I can't have one loss wipe out like 5 wins. This is practically a 1-to-1-ish, right? I mean, I can move my stop up a little bit closer, but I think I'm okay right there. Sprinklers above 0. Key level. Yeah, this is the trade that we want, right? I'm looking for a key level break, a B23, ride it up to dasher boom. Okay? It is what it is. I'm not going to move my stop. I'm going to take the loss or take the win. It is what it is. Okay? I mean, I'm underneath B23, so it's either going to go up or not. Dancing around, right? What's that movie? You ever dance with the devil in a pale moonlight? I mean, I'm cool. Under B23, I'm staying right there. Under B23, it is what it is. If I get stopped out, I will look to re-enter. I just want to practice and navigate these trades. I like this a lot better. I feel more comfortable about this than I did the other day, though. At least because I feel more in control, right? If I get stopped out, I will re-enter. Damn it. Come on. Follow through. Go up. Let's talk to it. We need to be like Rebecca. Talk to it. Go up. Up. Damn it. This thing's dancing around, man. Tricky. If it stops me out, I'm getting right back in. Boy, this little sucker's deadly. Go up. There we go. Let's go. Come on, man. Damn. Come on, baby. Couple pushes. There we go. Couple pushes. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Give us a push, baby. We're separated on the MACD. Can't go down according to Rebecca. Bias down? What the hell is he talking about? Bias down. Let's pull him back. Let's test him with our emotions. I'm not touching it. It is what it is. I'm taking a loss or the win. There's no in between for me at this point. I'm going to go get some water. I'll be right back. Oh, no. This little son of a bitch. Pull back. Let's go. I'm leaving it. It is what it is. I will take the loss. This thing's dancing hard. Come on, baby. We need one of those big runners to the upside. Oh, no. Oh, no. Damn it. All right. Reset. Reset. Damn it. You son of a bitch. Oh, couldn't even make it to the dasher. Boom. Damn it. All right. Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. That was bad. All right. Reset. We're coming off a lower high. Damn it, dude. Why didn't you see whatever happened to it go up here and just take off to the moon? Like, what happened to that shit? Come on, man. It's all good, though. It's all good. I like it, though. At least this is really good because this is real. This is real. I don't care about losing, man. My mission is very simple. Not get destroyed and get comfortable with my signals. Because if I would have been trading the other way, I'd be down like 1,000 something right now. And I'm nowhere near that. I'm just trying to grind out $300 to $500 a day. That's what I'm in. That's what I'm going to be looking for, man. And I'll keep taking these shots until that happens. All we need is one nice. If that would have taken off to the upside, there's nothing that could have been a home run. Home run. So just don't get destroyed. Take your shots. Don't get destroyed. Damn, that was close. Now you go up, you little turd. You little turd! Now you go up. Twice, you little bastard. Watch the divergence. Bearish. When there's no key level, when there's no key level to the upside, I'm going to be focusing on the 55 or the 200. Because that's all we can do. We do have this dasher. Kind of stall out here. This has been This has been really good, though, because it's been really tricky. If you can navigate through this and not get destroyed, I think you do a great job. And there was that one trade earlier that would have won too, that key level break that I didn't even see. Remember, all you need is to take some small wins, loss, and then get one decent run. That's all you need, man, is one. If this would have taken off, that would have paid us big time. Watch the divergence. We've got to find a way to get into these moves, man, that take off. We've got to. This is what we were looking for, man. You know, we got to find a way to get into this trade when the market, again, that's what we wanted back here, right? I'm open to ideas if y'all can figure out how we get into this trade. I mean, obviously we can take a pullback, but what if it doesn't pull back? What do we do? We're above all levels. I don't mind taking a break, you know, if we pull back, maybe jumping in. And I mean, I don't mind that. I just want to know right now, if this thing takes off to the moon, we need to be in it somehow. I'm open to ideas, man, because this is what we were looking for a minute ago, for it to run. If it takes off and never looks back, we got to figure out a way to get in that trade. That's something we need to talk about today in a mastermind. You know, if it takes off and we're not in it, what can we do? Andy got 52% on that T trade. Nicely done, bro. So I don't know. That's one thing I do want to talk about today, man. Is when we get cruising, how can we get in that trade, man? How can we get in that trade? Man, I got an idea. You may not like it, but I got an idea. Damn, let's see. Oh, this is what we were looking for a minute ago. All right, there's no more key levels in sight. Man. Fuck. I'm going to try something. Man. When it's running and we're stacked and we got that super trend, I'm going to try something. Fuck it. Only when there's a super trend. Fuck, this is what we got to be in. Damn it. Damn it. We've got to figure out a way to get in this trade. I'm going to give it a shot in a minute. And this is only a situation that I'm going to do when it's a super trend. So this is something brand new. I'm going to buy stop it right here. I'm going to buy stop that right there. Again, this is a test. I don't care if I lose. We're in a super trend. We're above 8. And I want to be in this trade if this son of a bitch goes up. We're pulling back. So at the end of the day, I'm just going to have my stop loss right up here, right underneath that purple. I don't care if I lose. I'm trying to figure out a way to participate in this run. And this is, there's no key level. I'm just looking at it like, since we have a super trend and we're above 8, if it pulls back and it reverses, I'm going to just look at that like again, I know it's not a key level break, but it's kind of the same philosophy. Don't do it if you're not comfortable, but I got to test it out. I got to be in these trades, man. If the trend takes off, we got to have a way to get in this trade. It's basically a 1-to-1. I'm either going to win or I'm going to lose, and I got a runner just in case. Again, don't do it if you're not comfortable. I'm not going to adjust my stop. If it picks me off, I'm going to get right back in. I'm telling you, I'm going to practice this. I don't care if I blow up this account. If I blow up this account, so be it. It's the only way I can practice,
Jeff.
man. Yeah.
I like the concept. I think we got to try it earlier though, right? Like instead of the fourth pullback, maybe we tried on the first or the second.
You talking about like when it maybe first crosses here or something?
Yeah. So even though that there was some resistance there, that dash or boom, but like maybe on that second one, that second pullback. But I'll let you watch. We'll talk about it.
Yeah.
Just something I was noticing.
Okay. I think I got picked off. Oh, shit. I did lose. Fuck. All right. Well, again, that didn't fucking work. So you're talking about on this one down in here.
Yeah, I would say maybe take your shot there instead of on the, because remember she used to say like she only takes like the first 3 pullbacks.
Yeah.
She doesn't really mess with, like after that, it probably loses a little bit of his juice here. But if you would have gotten that first or second one,
It would have nailed it.
now I think now you're really cooking for sure.
All right. I'm going to keep practicing though. But yes.
Yeah, no, I like that idea.
I mean, at the end of the day, I'm going to keep practicing. I don't care. Like I said, I got a lot of accounts. It ain't no big deal. I'm in the practicing mode. After it goes, yeah, see, that's what I was thinking after it went stacked. That's why I did it. Well, Brandon's talking about that first one back in this area, which I get it. Yeah, looking at it now, obviously that was a beauty.
Yeah.
Okay, my goal today is to just, again, this whole week is just working on the signals. This is not a trade I had in the trading plan at all. This is something that, you're right. I think, though, it's a big deal because we've got to participate in those. Whenever they start to run, we've got to be able to have a way to get into that trade. And I'm not going to try to catch a falling knife anymore. Fuck that. I would rather have this go up and stop me out than catch a fucking falling knife. So, again, I don't care about losing. I want to get comfortable with the signals. And you're right, though. The only issue I have here is we were stacked, but we were only stacked on the 2. We hadn't fully stacked yet. And we hadn't even got to that dash or boom, which could be a resistance. So, yeah, we need to talk about that today. But you see the concept. The concept is, what if this trade keeps going up and we can't get in it? I'm even willing to put a buy stop somewhere else if necessary. I just want to do it on candle close. And I kind of want to risk one to make one, right? That's pretty much what this is. This is a 1-to-1 with a potential runner. Because we've seen these trades explode and just take off and never come back. I do like the buy stop. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that would be nice, right? I mean, but that makes sense to me. That makes a lot of sense. Honestly, even the dasher boom, right? The break at a key level. But I don't want that. I'm not going to do that. I just want a way to get in this trade if it takes off. That's it. Man, it's 935. Shit. This goes down. All right, so hang on. Let me do this. If this drops, that's fine. I'll close this. I'll close it out. So everybody on YouTube, thanks for popping in. If you want to join us, we're in here all day, trading, talking, mastermind. We do options. Check down below in the description. Mitch, Kia, peace out.